Moi kaikille. Hi everyone. Tänään opimme Kellonaikaa toinen osa. Today we learn time in Finnish second part. We should learn what are the different times in a day. Aamu, aamupäivä, päivä, iltapäivä, ilta, yö. Aam, morning, aamupäivä, late morning, päivä, daytime, iltapäivä, afternoon, ilta, evening, yö, night. When we say time in English, we could use AM for the morning and PM for the evening and night. But in Finnish, it doesn't work like that. We have to tell whether it is in the morning or in the late morning or in the evening, like that. Say, for example, if the time is 8 in the morning, in English we say 8 a.m. The time is 8 a.m. But in Finnish language, we say kello on 8 aamulla. Aamu means morning. Aamulla means in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning. We say in Finnish kello on 10 aamupäivällä. If it is 2 p.m., we say kello on 2 iltapäivällä. If it is 8 p.m., we say kello on 8 illalla. If it is 2 a.m. in the early morning, we say kello on 2 yöllä. If it is 4 a.m. in the morning, we say kello on 4 aamuyöllä. Now we learn mihin aikaan or monelta in Finnish. In English, we say at what time. For these questions, the answer would be in ablative form. So don't worry about that. We will learn ablative in later sessions. When do we use these type of questions? Mihin aikaan or monelta? When expressing at what time something happens, some incidents happens. So we have to express at what time it happens or what time it happened or what time it will happen. So for that, we use these kind of questions. If you could see the difference between 5 o'clock and at 5, in what situations we use 5 o'clock, in what situations we use at 5. When just tell the time, you say it is 5 o'clock. Kello on 5. When something happens, you say I wake up at 5. Herään 5:00. You can also say I wake up at 5 o'clock. Herään kello 5. But please note, it is very unusual to say herään kello 5. You can't use kello 5. Either you can use herään 5 or you can use herään kello 5. Here are some examples, and you can go through this. If you want, you can pause the video and go through each and every sentence one by one. Kello 1 yhdeltä. Kello 2 2. Kello 3 3. Kello 4 4. kello viisi, viideltä, kello kuusi, kuudelta, kello seitsemän, seitsemältä, kello kahdeksan, kahdeksalta, kello yhdeksän, yhdeksältä, kello kymmenen, kymmeneltä, kello yksitoista, yhdeltä toista, kello kaksitoista, kahdelta toista. If someone asks you at what time you will return or at what time you will come back, you say as an answer, Minä palaan, I return, viideltä at 5, or minä tulen takaisin, viideltä. See you soon in the next session.